Guys, if you are touching a new concrete to the old concrete, basically you're pouring the new concrete which will be connecting to the old concrete, do this essential step. Don't forget to protect your eyes. So you cleaned up your surface. Next step, get some galvanized wire. I have a 20 gauge wire. It's very easy to roll. Get some concrete fasteners. I use Tapcon's 3-inch. Now what you're gonna do, you're gonna drill the holes in your old surface. You're gonna put Tapcons, and then you're gonna wire between them as much as you can, and then it will allow the new concrete to stick with your old concrete. These Tapcons already come with the bit, so look at this box. Now get impact driver, your Tapcons, put them in. I'm leaving about 1.5 inches. For me, I just want to be double sure that the new concrete curbing that I'm going to be pouring here is not detaching from this old slab during the winter, and also I will resurface this slab, so this trick is essential if you do want your new concrete attaching firmly to the old slabs. As usual, thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions or comments below, and if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe. It will greatly help to grow this channel. Cheers.